Bago natin paiyakin si Maring Tin, I wanted to take a moment to reflect on the friendship we built together. Pero with these individual differences, nakita natin, nagkaroon tayo ng tunay na kawork, kahuntahan, kaiyakan, kasamaan ng loob, kaawa, tunay na kaibigan. At ano ang mga special qualities natin? Sana magustuhan nyo. At sana, yun ang maalala natin sa bawat isa. Daisy, the tawa lang. The Mayumi, Joanne, the very calm person. Relax lagi. Mel, the straightforward. Walang keme-keme. George, seryoso lagi. Pero, maalalahanin yun. Alma, the Mama A. Ang sarap ng pagkain. She, the beautiful girl of the group. Napaka-sweet. Susan, the sumpungin, pero mapagmahal. Beck, come what may. Easy to get along. Mama Bern, ang mama ng lahat. Anywhere you go, adyan lagi yan. Bing, the okay lag, the photographer. At siya ang magpapapost sa'yo lahat. Belle, the songer, the serious, pero mabait. And of course, ako, the jolly one. Tawa lang lagi. Boss H, syempre, ang boss ng lahat, ang tatay ng lahat, at ang taga-abono, Boss H. At eto, ang ating ididespedida na aking iwi-welcome. Open hand. Ang beshi ng lahat, syempre, Maring Tin. Welcome to the retirement. Group na tayo kasi, tingnan nyo ha, pito-pito na tayo. 7 ang maiiwan sa office. 7 din ang retired na. Matutuwa ka or iiyak ka? Anyway, with the upcoming retirements, my friends, it's natural to feel a sense of sadness as we prepare to say goodbye to some of our dear friends. Each of you has played a significant role in creating a warm and supportive environment, and we will truly cherish the bonds we've formed. But while the friendships are fading as we transition, we believe the power to keep these connections alive. Tandaan nyo lang, online world na tayo. Napakadali na lang mag-reach out. Tingnan nyo nga, naalala nyo ba nung nasa pandemic times tayo? My God, nakakapagtawag-tawag pa tayo. So, bakit hindi natin gawin ulit to keep in touch? Whether through regular catch-ups, group outings, or simply checking in with one another. The essence of our friendship doesn't have to diminish. It can evolve and adapt to our changing circumstances. Kaya, sana, we propose to have a planned gathering to celebrate our time together and honor those who are retiring. It would be a wonderful opportunity to reminisce, share stories, and strengthen our tie. Let's create new memories that we can carry forward no matter. Salamat sa mga masasayang araw, suporta at we look forward to our continuing friendship even as we embrace the changes ahead. So Maring Tin, this is for you. Welcome to the outside world. Enjoy the night at sana ma-enjoy mo ang collection of our pics together of our kaworks. Party na! Go Brad!